Many culinary baked goods, staple breakfast favorites, and crowd pleasers are only as delicious as the ingredients from which they're made. One of the key ingredients that makes pizzas, croissants, cakes, and bread such amazing foundations for so many foods is the dough. Making dough for a perfect crust or a dough to rise to its highest heights is baking science at its best. Once the dough is perfected, it needs to be processed. Not unlike using a manual rolling pin, which makes it difficult for perfect thickness and edges. Many homes and industrial bakeries and bread factories use a dough sheeter. What is the best dough sheeter in 2020? Based on our extensive research, we've determined that the Somerset CDR-2000 20-inch double-pass dough sheeter has everything the home baker or commercial kitchen is looking for to produce the best dough-based products. The Somerset CDR-2000 has a compact design and can produce up to 600 pieces of dough per hour. Using non-stick rollers and a unique large hopper, this dough sheeter can tackle almost any dough project and guarantees uniform thickness. The unique motorized or manual operating functions offer a variety of speeds, which enhance efficiency and performance, and cuts back on wasted product. The solid construction and built-in safety sensors makes this dough sheeter popular for small businesses and commercial kitchens. And now, for the Freshness.com reviews of the 6 best dough sheeters plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the Somerset CDR-2000 20-inch double-pass dough sheeter. For perfect pizza and dog treats, the Somerset CDR-2000 double-pass dough sheeter is touted for its workhorse performance. Constructed with welded, solid stainless steel and weighing in at 210 pounds and standing 24 by 24 by 28 inches, this dough roller uses a 4/3 horsepower motor and 20-inch synthetic rollers and is capable of rolling a perfect 24-inch round pizza crust and 500 to 600 pieces of dough per hour. Dough feeds through a large front-loading hopper, presses through one set of rollers, and goes through a second set of rollers to press the dough thinner. For large or small projects, a unique feature of this sheeter is that it works at either a fixed motorized speed or has a manual hand-rolling option. The Somerset CDR-2000 also features built-in safety shutoff, spring-loaded scrapers, and stands on 4 4-inch adjustable stainless steel legs and is UL, NSF, and USDA certified. Now for a few pros. 1. Double pass capability. 2. Sturdy and well-built. 3. Fixed speed or hand crank feature. Now for a few cons. 1. Cost. 2. Metallic rollers. And 3. Not meant for creation of pizza, pita, or pasta. Coming in at number 2. The Pastaline Maxi Sfogly NSF Electric Dough Sheeter. For perfect crust and baked goods, chocolate and marzipan modeling, and short crust, rich and crumbly pasta, the Pastaline Maxi Sfogly NSF Electric Dough Sheeter has a reputation for being one of the best dough sheeters for all things sweet. The Pastaline Maxi uses an 18-inch roller, 2.4 inches in diameter, to help create masterpieces. Weighing in at 60 pounds, this dough sheeter rests on a tabletop and is certified to draw dough into thin, perfectly even sheets up to 1/2 millimeter just after a few passes. In comparison, an average sheet of paper is 0.1 millimeters. For commercial or home use, the Pastaline Maxi Sfogly is an easy-to-clean machine, and the dough scrapes and springs can be easily removed for general cleaning and light maintenance. NSF certified to comply with a high standard of performance. Now for a few pros. 1. Easy to operate. 2. Sturdy and well-built. 3. Cleaning this dough sheeter is a breeze. How about a few cons? 1. Limited dough functionality. 2. not meant for larger production or quantity. And 3. Not meant for creation of pizza, pita, or pasta. Now, coming in at number 3, the Chef Prosentials 110-volt electric dough sheeter. This electric dough sheeter is perfect for application in any commercial setting, specifically Italian food restaurants creating pizza or pasta, or hotel kitchens that create a range of items that utilize dough as a key ingredient will find this dough sheeter particularly fitting. The Chef Prosentials 110-volt electric dough sheeter excels in the creation of dough fit for pasta, dumpling, pizza, or bakery buns. As long as the dough that's being utilized consists of a water-to-flour ratio of 1:2, this electric dough sheeter will perform well. The Chef Prosentials 110-volt electric dough sheeter can be used with a vertical entrance, horizontal entrance, or single roller. Entry points include 12-inch, 15-inch, and 18-inch tilt or vertical varieties, which are great for crafting an exact pizza crust. The handball can be adjusted to set the proper thickness of the dough being passed through the dough sheeter. One of the key components to the construction of the Chef Prosentials 110 is the strength of its motor. Run by a powerful 370-watt motor and built with an overload protection device serving as a regulator to prevent the machine from running too hot and burning out after a high-quantity batch run. The Chef Prosentials dough sheeter is composed of strong stainless steel and is resistant to retaining moisture, which is important in certain facilities, with rollers made of resin that maintain food-grade standards, which means it's food safe. Naturally, this is as expected considering the best dough sheeter is used exclusively as a commercial food appliance. The Chef Prosentials 110-volt electric dough sheeter is manufactured to a high degree of quality. The company ensures care upon delivery and packages the dough sheeter in a strong, enforced wooden box. Now for some pros. 1. Great for creation of pizza, pasta, and baked goods. 2. A durable 370-watt motor built with overload protection. 3. Manufactured with food-grade standards. And 4. Shipped in durable packaging. And now for some cons. 1. Not ideal for home usage. 2. No warranty information. And 3. May be less suited for the creation of baked goods. Looking to learn more about the best dough sheeter in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, the Thunderbird TBD 500 Reversible Dough Sheeter. At a whopping 350 pounds, this standalone dough sheeter can tackle every type of dough. Using a 1-horsepower motor and 220 volts of power, the Thunderbird TBD 500 Reversible Dough Sheeter is constructed with a unique design. The rollers and scrapers are built into a hub in the middle of the machine. An 83-inch conveyor belt moving in 2 directions bookends the dough sheeter, allowing the dough to be moved in reverse after the first pass. After a day of dough sheeting, the 2 conveyor belts can be folded down for easy storage. For large quantities of dough, the Thunderbird is the way to go. Here's a few pros. 1. Exact dough thickness. 2. Easy storage. And 3. Reversible. Now a few cons. 1. Not ideal for home usage. 2. The cost. And 3. No warranty information. Coming in at number 5, the Pastaline Dough Fondant Sheeter. The Italians know a thing or two about pasta. For superior quality creations, the Pastaline Dough Fondant Sheeter boasts laser precision fondant production every time. Hand crank allows for control and ease of use from thicknesses ranging from 0 mm to 12 mm. For truly flawless fondant, chocolate modeling, short crust, sugar and gum paste, and excellent blended food coloring, this sheeter doesn't disappoint. Extra wide feed and 2-foot roller allows for large batch quantity production. This countertop fondant assistant is a mere 42 pounds and only fills a space of 19 by 35 by 9 inches. Easy to transport and store, and featuring 2 table clamps for uninterrupted production. The Pastaline dough fondant sheeter even comes with a love it or return it 30-day money-back guarantee. Here's a few pros. 1. Superior quality guaranteed. 2. A 30-day try it or return it. And 3. Excellent customer support. Now a few cons. 1. Not good for a single use. May need an additional person. 2. The directions are only in Italian. And 3. No millimeter markings. You have to guess the thickness of the product. Coming in at number 6. The VEVOR Commercial Dough Roller Sheeter 370W. Another tabletop powerhouse, the VEVOR Commercial Dough Roller Sheeter has many unique features. Wide access feed and a CE certification allows VEVOR to brag that its dough sheeter can produce 250 sheeted pizza dough pieces per hour. 2 adjustable rollers allow for many dough thickness options. Constructed of durable, food-grade stainless steel with non-slip rubber feet, all premium, transparent, non-toxic plastic safety coverings, and high-quality synthetic rollers. An adapted all-copper motor and plenty of vents on the machine to prevent overheating. Red and green stop and start buttons feature for added safety. The 82-pound VEVOR looks great on the kitchen counter or in the commercial kitchen, and its compact 19.5 by 19.3 by 25 inches doesn't just produce perfect pizza dough. Expect tortillas, pita breads, flatbreads, and pie crust to surprise and delight too. Here's a few pros. 1. Well-built and durable. 2. Extra safety features. 3. It's a small machine with high output. Now a few cons. 1. Cost around $750. 2. Hard to replace damaged parts through customer support. And 3. Roller issues new out of the box. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite dough sheeter. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite dough sheeter. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now, for the Freshness.com dough sheeter to avoid. The Dshot Automatic Pizza Dough Roller Sheeter Machine. This countertop dough sheeter seems to do it all. Also capable of 250 pizza doughs per hour, the Dshot can tackle much more. Noodles, 6 to 16-inch pizza doughs, steam buns, bread, dumplings, pie crust, tortillas, and flatbreads. Slightly larger than its competition, the Dshot Automatic Pizza Dough Roller Sheeter Machine measures 20.9 by 20.9 by 25.6 inches and weighs 125 pounds. For home or commercial kitchen use, the Dshot is constructed of food-grade stainless steel, premium safety plastics, and smooth nylon rollers to guarantee a lifetime of dependability. Dshot claims no corrosion and leakage. Although this dough sheeter has many claims, finding one to purchase online is next to impossible, as is locating and contacting the manufacturer for product information. So here's the pros. 1. Well-built and durable. 2. Manufacturer backed for a lifetime. And 3. No corrosion or leakage. But here's the cons. 1. Currently not available. 2. Heavier than most countertop versions. 3. Limited access to manufacturer website. And 4. No warranty information. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best dough sheeter. Whether you're looking for a proper dough sheeter for use in a commercial kitchen or a residential kitchen, there are many options to consider, ranging between countertop and upright versions. Dough sheeters vary based on size and production use cases. They're built to process and flatten dough to certain thicknesses for baked goods, pasta, pizza, dumplings, flatbreads, and tortillas. Regardless of the dough sheeter's size, when you find the dough sheeter right for production, these machines will exponentially make life easier, as it increases production and output and creates perfect dough for food production. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite dough sheeter. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.